Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to review your first essay assignment in this class. This essay is the literary analysis assignment. Now, this assignment assumes that you've completed other activities in this class. Specifically, you've watched the movie To Serve With Love 2, and that you've completed the discussion board post that you were supposed to complete on this movie. It also assumes that you took detailed notes when you were watching the movie, notes that will help you in analyzing concepts, terms such as persuasion or literary devices that you notice used in the movie, and also arguments that you spotted in the movie. So I'm going to go into our core shell on D2L, which will guide us which will guide you through how you can find information, materials that can help you in responding to the assignments. So this is under week 2. There are specific readings, specific activities that we've completed. You have the activity that which was based on the song To Serve With Love lyrics, and I reviewed the answers in class. So you also have the discussion board posts which you had to complete. This one is on the themes in To Serve With Love 2. This assumes that you've watched the movie, and I hope that you would complete this activity or discussion board post activity before you attempt to do the assignments. It is a first discussion forum, so complete this before you start the assignment. Now, to find the assignment, you will click on the assignments tab here. So once you click on the assignment tab, I'm looking at the instructor mode, but I'm going to switch to the student view. So in the student view, you will click on this assignments, and you are going to find literary analysis assignment. So you would notice that I have attachments to give you some idea of how what I'm expecting from you when you attempt to complete the assignments. So the assignment is right here. So there's a sample literary analysis assignment which other students from our other class have done on another movie. So if you're struggling to get started, take a look at that. If you don't know what an outline is, you can also take a look at this particular sample from a student. Was not very detailed outline, but you don't have to do the same, but just to give you an idea. Now, the assignment asks you to do you are going to focus on the use of arguments and literary devices in relation to the topic persuasion in To Serve With Love 2. I have given an argument here how you should think about the movie by illustration of the Venn diagram. My goal is to make you see that in the use of literary devices and arguments, McTackery and other key characters in the movie, we're trying to persuade each other, at least to convince the other side about something they want the other person to believe or understand. Now, there are resources, like I said, resources in week 2, 3, and 4, which you should be able to find under the content tab. Now in the content tab, if you go to week 2, there are resources there. There are also materials that I posted under week 3 that should help you as well. So this should help you in terms of understanding what your responsibilities are. I also have materials on academic writing and essays. So take a look at this. If you're struggling to write a college paper, okay? and I'll be adding more resources later, which I think would help you. So take a look at any of these resources if you're having trouble getting started. So how to write an essay outline, that's also there. Okay, and taking notes and outline information, that's also there. But our focus is on the assignments. Okay, so there are literary devices which you should take a look at. You should also take a look at sample literary devices I've posted here. These were taken straight from the movie. I expect that you will take a look at these. I'm not saying that you should use all these. These are examples that I've pulled out from the movie. If you want to use one, fine, but you can only use one, not more than one. I don't want you, because I want to see that you paid careful attention to detail when the characters were speaking in the movie. So find your own examples if possible. You can use one from here, but not more than one. Okay, I gave an example of some arguments. There are 2 arguments right here, which I found in the movie. And in terms of formatting, the spacing and font size, the file saving before submission, the minimum page limit. I mean, that's going to be for the final draft. I'm not saying you turn that for the first draft. The heading and title, so my expectations are pretty clearly stated. So I expect to see the first draft by the date outlined in this handout, and the final draft is due on Valentine's Day. Okay, so that's it on this particular assignment.